Hello, Alimal. Uh, yeah, today I want to give you a demo for a small MVP I have created. Uh, a funny story that I have applied for a job, and although I didn't got selected, but there I saw the requirement. I mean, what they are making. They were making a PR review agent, and whoever has done review the PR they can they can relate this problem. I mean, PR reviews are slow. That reviewer has to put so much effort on finding logical bugs, security vulnerabilities, and yeah, there are so many things. Impact analysis, and yeah, they have to go through with all the repository and all those things. So yeah, the problem was too good to ignore. So yeah, I made a small MVP around it. I would like to demo that thing, maybe little bit code walkthrough as well. So yeah, how it is, how it works. Uh, okay, I created one image. It is like yeah, I will explain you. But yeah, I created with Nano Banana. It's very good tool. So once user is opening a pull request. I have created one GitHub action there. I have written a logic to call my self-hosted host. It is I'm hosting on my machine. That host will gonna call my agent, which I am running on my machine, and that agent will. This is a LangGraph agent, and it will gonna go through with the nodes, like fetching that PR, checking the logical bugs, security analysis. I will explain you these all things on code. But yeah, this all process it will gonna do, and again it will gonna I have created one small Streamlit screen as well, where from there you can approve or reject, and then gonna push back to agent. Yeah, sorry, GitHub again. So yeah, this is the workflow. Uh, let's go through with uh, little coding. Okay. Uh, so here, okay, this is the main class. This is the LangGraph, yeah, the main class, and yeah, see, uh, here I have described the schemas because I will open file. Yeah, I'm using a local LLM, and I don't want it goes randomly, so I have defined proper schemas what it needs doing on particular node and all. So yeah, I have given them proper uh, uh, created some classes and all identic, and yeah, it will gonna give it more structure. Then if I go again, this is your uh, memory. Is the main thing your state schema, which keeps all the memory for this particular agent, and then I'm going through. I have written the notes which it will gonna uh, execute. So like fetching the pull request. Uh, Here it is if summary and all, and then the logic. Footgun logic is funny name, but it is logical error. It is detecting where I have written these all things. I will also show you. Uh, so here, if I will go, this is Pydantic AI. And in this Pydantic AI, I'm calling my uh, I'm hosting it on Ulama on my local, and yeah, this is kind of I have defined the agents, given them system prompt and all, and here is the function where I'm doing like like I showed you earlier as well, security and all those things. This all things I'm doing it from here. So if I go through again, like security scanner. Here, I think I am, yeah, there are two type of vulnerabilities right now. I'm checking. I have not covered every each and every scenarios, but it's like a bandit tool. You have heard about it. It's for Python specific, but this particular SIMCRAP is check for OWASP and general security vulnerabilities for Java, Node, and there are so many languages. So yeah, these are all nodes I have written, and yeah, then finally it is pushing back to GitHub. Okay, uh, all good, but how does it work? So for that, let me for that let me uh, yeah, my uh, this is my GitHub agent, self-hosted. Uh, this, then I have to run my Ulama. KMK point. Yeah. And it's true. I asked KMK point two. I don't know you have heard this or not. Uh, no, sorry. It actually told me that it's Anthropic. So whatever Anthropic is saying, maybe it's true. They are doing distillation. If you had that particular news, but yeah, for me, I'm running this. Yeah, I'm running this, and that. So maybe I will Streamlit as okay. Run. Uh, it can. Yeah. Right now there is no active pull request. So oh, this is not PR1. Repositories. Yeah, this particular repository, this test repository, I have made it this stock inventory repository. But yeah, with the idea, I have created one particular branch. Vulnerable branch, I have intentionally kept some code which is vulnerable. Let's. This is I'm also doing it first time with you with this particular branch. So I have kept code like if I go to repository. Yeah, here you can see that I'm putting SQL injection over here. Yeah, similar things like yeah, delete, wipe it all. Okay, so this particular is my repository. Let me check. Just okay. So let's create the pull request. Uh, Before that, I think I will show this particular workflow file, which is for my self-hosted agent. Is calling my agent. Yeah, it's hard coded, but for now it's okay. Uh, Go back, pull request. There is one more thing I think I have missed. Um yeah, after creating this all nodes, yeah, I have added this node and here when right now I am just edges, but conditional edges for further MVP. But here is the start. It will gonna go from this particular node and then posting GitHub. That will be the end of this particular. So yeah, this was the that. But let's create a pull request. Uh, okay, the pull request from my vulnerable branch to my master. And right now, again, I'm checking. There is no active PR right now. Uh, so yeah, let me create a pull request here. Create pull request and purpose. checks, but should start. Yes. Yeah. This is starting. Uh, so yeah, it is calling my agent, and agent will gonna run over here. Let's. Yeah. So if I refresh this particular, you can see their request. If I click, okay. So you can see that okay, it has modified uh, Java file, application file, debug. It introduced multiple critical security vulnerability, including SQL injection via unsafe native query, uh, XSS, and simply rendering dangerous admin endpoint. Okay, so it has an exposed to H2 console. So yeah, it has given you what could be the problem and all, and along with suggestion what you can do for that particular uh, bug or bad coding and security issues as well. So yeah, it is categorizing it like critical, high, critical. So yeah, there also we can do some more work, but yeah, so we are getting this all things, and yeah, there is no semantic impact. I don't think I have coded for that, but yeah. And if I say okay, recheck it. Okay, comment can be, and I'm rejecting it. And if I go again here, pull request, and uh, go. Okay, so here you can see that okay, this was my comment, and this is summary. What was the problem and all those things. So yeah, here also this problem, suggestion, all those things. So yeah, it's working fine. And yeah, is it perfect? No, definitely not. There could be several improvement we can do. We can fine tune uh, our LLM for this particular thing. We can include coding standard like if it is using some library and that agent need to go to that particular repo, we can include those. But yeah, there are so many things we can improve on it. But for a small MVP, I think it's working good. But please let me know how did you find it, and what can be improved. Thank you.